Hello students, welcome to Siddhi chemistry classes. In today's class we are going to learn about KMnO4 preparation and its oxidation properties. So KMnO4 preparation we will see. KMnO4 preparations. KMnO4 preparation. First one we are going to see from manganese dioxide. First one we are going to see from manganese dioxide, MnO2. Okay, most of the board syllabus and all we can see only MnO2 preparation alone we can see. So many students they will feel difficult to balance this equation, so I will give you the trick. So manganese dioxide, when you are treating with KOH solution and oxygen, you will get potassium manganate, you will get K2MnO4, you will get plus water you will get. These are the products. So remember, for these products just you multiply with 2 and 2. Okay, for these products you balance with what? 2 and 2. Okay, this 2 and 2 will repeat for the next another step also. So now you can balance according to this one. 2 to the 4 potassiums are there, so 4 potassiums. Now 2 to the 4 hydrogens are there, 4 hydrogens with balance, and 2 manganese, so here what? 2 manganese. Okay, this is the balanced equation. And now here this is the reactant is what? Manganese dioxide. It is what? Manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide. Okay, and we are getting potassium manganate. Potassium manganate we are getting. Manganate. So the potassium manganate again you have to take here in the ionic form you have to take. Okay, why? Because it will be very easy okay, to balance. Okay, so manganese, okay, manganate ion you can take, manganate ion. Why we are taking MnO4 minus 2? The reason is 2 potassiums we are taking separate. So 2 potassiums if you take separate, now each potassium carries plus 1 charge, you are removing, plus 2 charges you are removing. 2 potassiums you are removing means plus 2 charge you are removing. So minus 2 have to get. So manganate ion. Okay, manganate ion, when you are treating with acid, you will get permanganate ion you will get MnO4 minus, plus you will get water you will get, and whatever the reactant it is consumed manganese dioxide, again it will come outside. Okay, so this one have to balance. What I said here for you in the first step, 2 and 2 you have to multiply. Okay, the products here also same, 2 and 2 you have to multiply, but not for manganese dioxide. It will come as a 1 mole only. Now you can see the manganese, sir, how many are there towards product side? 2 manganese, here 1 manganese, total 3. So 3 here. And now we will check how many hydrogens are there. 2 to the 4. Okay, 4 hydrogens. Now oxygens automatically balanced. 3 4 the 12 oxygens and 4 to the 8 plus 2 10 and 12. Okay, this is the balanced equation from manganese dioxide. Okay, most of the state board as well as in CBSE also this one only they'll ask. Okay, so very easily you can remember. Once again I am saying, I am repeating. So manganese dioxide and KOH and oxygen will give what? K2MnO4 and H2O. So remember, you multiply the products with 2. Okay, 2 and 2. So you will get 2 for K2MnO4 and 2 for H2O. You will get you can balance very easily the reactants according to that. And next the potassium manganate, it carries plus 6 charge. It carries plus 6 charge on the manganese. That one will undergo in oxidation, another one will undergo in what? Reduction. So it will undergo in what? Disproportionation reaction. So one manganese is undergoing in what? Oxidation, another manganese is undergoing in reduction. Okay, so that's why it is called as what? Disproportionation. Okay, so here manganese plus 6 ion will get disproportionate into plus 7 as well as what? Plus 4. Okay, this is from MnO2. And next second preparation we are having, okay, that from electrolysis, electrolytic decomposition, from electrolytic, okay, decomposition. From electrolytic, sorry, cut. So the second method is commercial preparation. Okay, commercial method. commercial method, commercially how to prepare na, we can prepare manganate ion we have to take, manganate ion, MnO4 minus to manganate ion we have to take, okay, will be converted into permanganate ion, okay, MnO4, this is what manganate ion, manganate ion will be converted into permanganate ion, permanganate ion by electrolytic oxidation. The process called as electrolytic oxidation in alkaline medium, okay. The manganate ion will be converted into okay, electrolytic oxidation, yeah, it's oxidation. You can see here it is a plus 6 oxidation, oxidation state is undergoing into what, plus 7. So increase in the oxidation state, it is what, oxidation process. Okay, we will oxidize the permanganate ion into what, manganate ion into permanganate ion, okay, by electrolytic oxidation in alkaline medium. And next, third one we are having, laboratory preparation. In laboratory preparation, manganese plus 2 ion we are going to treat with peroxy disulfate ion. Peroxo disulfate ion we will treat in the presence of water. So you will get manganate ion, you will get MnO4 minus manganate ion, and sulfate ion you will get plus H plus ions you will get acid. Okay, so how to balance here? Okay, the manganese Mn plus 2 to Mn plus 7. Here the oxidation state of manganese is plus 7. Okay, so the change is what, 5. The change is 5. So you can cross multiply. So you will get here 5s2O8 and here you will get 2. So 5s2 now what? Okay, 5 sulfurs you balance, manganese you balance first, 2 manganese. So here 2 manganese we can write. So 5 to the 10 sulfur, here you can write 10 sulfur, you can write it. Okay, now we will see oxidants. We will see oxidants. We will see here oxidants. 5 8s 40 oxidants are there. Plus here 41 is there. Here 4 to the 8 plus 10 for the 40. Okay, so 48 are there. So here instead of here 1 you can multiply with 8. So what will happen? Here now 40 plus 8 you will get 48 you will get. Okay, so you can balance. So 8 to the 16 H plus you have to write here. Now it is a balanced equation, you can see. Okay, like this. So 2 manganese is there and 5 to the 10 sulfurs are there, 10 sulfurs, and oxidants 8 5 the 40 plus 8 48 and 10 4 the 40 plus 4 to the 8 48 and hydrogen 8 to the 16 and here what 16. Okay, like this. My dear students, we are going to see oxidizing properties of KMnO4. Here the manganate ion MnO4 minus in acidic medium will accept 5 electrons and it will be converted into Mn plus 2 plus okay H2O plus H2O. So in this one students, once you observe here the manganese having plus 7 oxidation state, here plus 2. So 5 electrons are gaining. So 5 electrons when it gains na Mn plus 7, then only it can convert into Mn plus 2. Means it is undergoing in reduction, so it works as what, oxidizing agent, right? So this one. And next see here in this one. Okay, so just we will balance this. So what will happen in the balancing? So 1 manganese, 4 oxygen. So here 4 here and 4 to the 8 hydrogen. So 8 H plus. Okay, this one. See, for the balancing, if you are having 5 electrons, okay, which is undergoing an oxidation, next it will come 5 electrons. Now we are taking only this electron, this equation we will take. Sometimes 10 electrons will come, that time you have to multiply with 2. Okay, so 2 if you multiply now, 2 MnO4 minus will come, plus 8 to the 16 H plus will come, and 10 electrons will come. It gives rise to 2 Mn plus 2 and 8 H2O. This one you have to take. Okay, understood, students? So here if this is the oxidizing property, no, if some reactions are losing 5 electrons, means we are taking the first equation. If some equations losing 10 electrons, means we will take what? Second equation will take. Okay, how it will be you will get. Okay, as I am explaining the equation, that time you will get it. Okay, so first we are taking Fe plus 2 oxidation. Fe plus 2 undergoes in oxidation and it will convert into Fe plus 3. So 5 electrons if it comes now, what will happen ma? Here 5 Fe plus 2 you have to take, so 5 Fe plus 3. So for this one directly you can add now, it is undergoing in oxidation, means loss of electron is oxidation, correct? Loss of electron is oxidation, Leo. Okay, so it is each ion is losing 1 electron, so 5 ions plus 2s are giving what? 5 electrons. So now first equation, okay, the first equation with this one you can add it. Okay, so what will happen now? Okay, MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electrons, we are going to get Mn plus 2 and 4 H2O we are going to get. So just 5 electrons will get cancelled. So just you add up these two reactions. So what will get? 5 Fe plus 2 plus MnO4 minus plus 8H plus will be getting 5 Fe plus 3 plus Mn plus 2 plus we will get 4 H2O we will get. Okay, this is the balanced equation, ma. This is the balanced equation. Okay, the first one. Okay, right. From here onwards, always we will get 10 electrons only we will get, ma, here. Okay, 10 electrons only we will be getting here. So we have to take okay, the second equation we have to take. So second equation we will copy, ma, with the 10 electrons is there, no, that one we will copy, so we can write very easily, huh? Right. So second oxidation reaction given oxalate ion. Okay, sorry, I minus ion given. So I minus ion will take. I minus ion will convert into I2 and it will give okay, see here we can write 5 electrons, we can write, not a problem, but here 5 I minus, now here 5 by 2 will come. So fraction, the fraction we have to remove, now we have to multiply with 2. Then what will happen here? 10 I minus will give you, okay, 5 I2 and 10 electrons. Okay, fraction should not be. For that one we are multiplying with what? 2. So now, okay, 10 electrons we got, no. Okay, in this one 10 electrons having equation where we are having 10 electrons having equation. Okay, in first equation it is gaining 5 electrons, in second equation it is gaining 10 electrons. So second equation you have to take. So we will take second equation. So second equation now electrons will get cancelled. Okay, so now second equation we have taken. So just we have to add up these two equations. So what will happen here? 10 electrons will get cancelled. So reactants what, ma? 10 I minus will 2 MnO4 minus plus 16 H plus will gives you 5 I2 will give and 2 Mn plus 2 will give and 8 H2O it will give. Got it? This one. And next third one we are having oxalato, C2O4 minus 2. Oxalate ion will be converted into CO2. Okay, and it will give a 10 electrons. So see here, in oxalato, carbon having plus 3 oxygen state, it has to convert into plus 4. Means each carbon will give what? Okay, 1 electron. So how many we have to take here? 5 moles we have to take. So 5 moles means here what you will get? 5 C2O4 we have to take. So 5 C2O4 means each one having 2. So what you will get what here? 5 to the 10, here what 10 CO2 you will get. Okay, correct, 10 electrons. So 5 4 the 20 oxygens are there here, 4 to the 10 to the 20 are there. Now we will add for what, 10 electrons having equation you have take. Okay, so 10 electrons having equation I have taken. Okay, I am taking here, right. Just you have to add both equations. So what will happen here, 10 electrons will get cancelled. So you will get 5C2O4, you will get plus 2MnO4. Just you add up equation, plus 16H plus you will get, it will give size to 10CO2 plus 2 moles of Mn plus 2 plus 8H2O you will get. Got it students? Very easy. Okay, it is a sulfide ma. Sulfide will be converted into what? Sulfur. So it is 0 ma. So each sulfur will give 2 electrons. So 10 electrons will come here. So here what you have to take, 5 moles of sulfur, here what, 5 moles. So 10 electrons. So how to balance? Again we have to take what, with 10 electrons having manganate equation we have to take. Okay, permanganate equation. Okay, so just you can paste it here. So what will happen? 10 electrons will get cancelled. So you will get 5 sulfide ion plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus will be converted into 5 sulfur plus 2 Mn plus 2 plus 8H2O you will get. Okay, fifth one we are having, fifth one sulfite ion will be converted into sulfate ion. Okay, so here what is the oxygen state of sulfur ma here? Okay, sulfur oxygen state is okay, plus 4 oxygen state. Here sulfate ma plus 6 oxygen state. This is what, sulfite. Okay, sulfite ion. This is sulfate ion. So first we will balance. So plus 4 to plus 6 means 2 electrons are losing. So 10 electrons will come. Okay, then what we have to write here, 5SO3 means each sulfur giving 2 electrons, then 5 will happen what, 5 into 2 the 10 electrons will give. So here what, 5. Once you check the oxygens ma, so 5 3 the 15 and 5 4 the 20. Here 20 oxygens are there and here what, only 15 oxygens only was there. So we have to balance. So what we have to add here, reactant side you have to add 5 moles of water you have to add. Okay, so this in redox reactions we will study in 11th standard. 5 moles of water you have to add. Then here hydrogens became less, then what, 10H plus you have to add. Correct? Here 5 to the 10. So here 10. So just you can add up, just you can write properly this equation. 5 moles of sulfite ions and 5 moles of H2O will give you 5 moles of sulfate plus 10 electrons plus 10H plus ions will give. Clear? Okay, this one. So now everything is balanced. Okay, 5 3 the 15 plus 5 20, 5 4 the 20 and what, 10H plus and here 10H plus. So since 10 electrons are there, with 10 electrons having equation we have to cancel out. Okay, we have to add up. Okay, so we have taken 10 electrons having equation. So what we will do here, 10 electrons cancel. Okay, 5H2O cancel, 3H2O remains. Okay, 10H plus and 10H plus cancel, 6H plus remains. Now you can add up. So 5 moles of sulfite ion when you are treating with 2 moles of KMnO4 minus plus 6H plus will give you, okay, 5 moles of sulfate ion plus 2 moles of Mn plus 2 plus 3 moles of H2O it will give. Got it? This is last one is NO2 minus will be oxidized to NO3 minus. Okay, so in this one the oxygen state of nitrogen is plus 3 and it is converting into plus 5. Each nitrogen is giving 2 electrons, means you can get 10 electrons. Then here you have to write 5, here what, 5. So each nitrogen will give 2 electrons, 5 nitrogens will give what, 10 electrons. Now 5 to the 10 oxygens, here 5 3 the 15 oxygens. So 5 oxygens are less, then 5H2O you can write it. Then 5 to the 10 hydrogens are less. So here what, 10H plus you can write it. Okay, now just I'll write this equation properly. 5NO2 minus plus 5H2O will give us to 5NO3 minus plus 10 electron plus 10H plus. So since 10 electrons is there, with 10 electron equation we have to add up. Then what we'll get here? 10 electrons will get cancelled. So we both will get cancelled, and 5H2O and 5H2O cancel, so 3H2O will remains, and 10H plus and here 10H plus cancel, 6H plus will be remains. Just you can add up. Then what you will get here? 5NO2 minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 6H plus will give you 5NO3 minus plus 2Mn plus 2 and 3H2O it will give. Okay, this is the balanced equation. Okay, so like this we can balance the oxidation property equations very easily. For that one you have to remember these two equations, you have to remember, and you should able. Okay, why? Because here gain of electron reduction is happening. Okay, here what loss of electron oxidation is happening. Okay, so KMnO4 white acts as an oxidizing agent, means it ready to undergo in what reduction, it will gain 5 electrons. So to balancing, what we will do here, 10 electrons will add it here. Okay, 10 electrons now also we have to learn this equation. Okay, so whenever you are getting 10 electrons equation, you have to add this one, 5 electron equation, you have to add this one. Okay, I think so you have understood this concept. Okay, thank you for watching.